Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ever staring into your fridge, thinking you have absolutely nothing to eat? Well, today I'm going to blow your mind with 5 incredible recipes you can make using just 3 ingredients. Yes, you heard that right, only 3. Let's get cooking. First up, a classic that never failed, banana oatmeal cookies. All you need are 2 ripe bananas, a cup of rolled oats, and a handful of chocolate chips. Just mash the bananas, stir in the oats and the chocolate chips. Form little cookies on a baking sheet, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for about 15 minutes. They're chewy, naturally sweet, and perfect for a quick breakfast or snack. Next, let's make some incredibly creamy pesto pasta. You'll need your favorite pasta, a jar of good quality pesto, and some cherry tomatoes. Cook the pasta according to the package directions. While it's cooking, slice your cherry tomatoes in half. Drain the pasta, reserving a tiny bit of pasta water. Toss it all together with a few generous spoonfuls of pesto and the fresh tomatoes. The pasta water helps create a silky sauce. It's a restaurant quality meal in minutes. For our third recipe, we're making a delicious and refreshing treat. Watermelon sorbet. Grape acidulous watermelon, a lime, and a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Cube the watermelon and freeze it for a few hours. Then, toss the frozen watermelon into a blender with the juice of 1 lime and your sweetener. Blend until it's smooth and creamy. It's the perfect healthy dessert for a hot day. Moving on to something savory, let's whip up some cheesy zucchini bites. You'll need 1 large zucchini, half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and 1 egg. Grate the zucchini and squeeze out as much moisture as you can. In a bowl, mix the shredded zucchini with the Parmesan and the egg. Form small patties and pan-fry them in a little oil for a few minutes on each side until they're golden brown and crispy. These are so addictive. Finally, for our 5th recipe, a simple and elegant appetizer, prosciutto wrapped melon. It sounds fancy, but it's the easiest thing ever. You'll need a cantaloupe, thin slices of prosciutto, and some balsamic glaze. Cut the cantaloupe into wedges or cubes. Wrap each piece with a slice of prosciutto, and then drizzle a little balsamic glaze over the top. The combination of sweet and salty is just divine. And so you have it 5 amazing, super simple recipes using just 3 ingredients. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated to be delicious. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipe ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.